Hello and welcome to this video lecture. In this video, we will be talking about normal distributions. Definition of normal distribution. It is a distribution as illustrated by a bilaterally symmetrical bell-shaped frequency distribution graph with the average in the center, with M as the average arithmetic mean and D as the standard deviation. It is distributed in a bell shape as shown in the graph below. Now we're getting deep into statistics, but even if nothing above made any sense to you, you should memorize the graph below and the numbers on it. When you see the words normal distribution, you want to remember this graph and its numbers. You don't want to have to derive this from scratch on the GMAT. From the mean, about 68% of the distribution is within one standard deviation, 34% on each side. About 95% of the distribution is within two standard deviations, an additional 13.5% on each side, and the rest is roughly within three standard deviations. If we take a look at the graph above, around the mean, the left and the right are perfectly symmetrical. Since within one standard deviation lies 68% of the distribution, each side is 68 over 2% equals 0.34 of the distribution. Within two standard deviations, each side is 95 over 2% equals 47.5% equals 13.5% plus 34% equals 0.135 plus 0.34. Within three standard deviations, each side is 100 over 2% equals 50% equals 2.5% plus 13.5% plus 34% equals 0.025 plus 0.135 plus 0.34. In other words, the normal distribution is distributed symmetrically as 0.025, 0.135, 0.34, 0.34, 0.135, and 0.025. When you see M minus 2 times D, that means that it is two standard deviations away from the mean to the left. M minus 2 times D is perfectly symmetrical with M plus 2 times D. Similarly, M minus D means that it is one standard deviation away from the mean to the left. M minus D is perfectly symmetrical with M plus D.